Choosing the right crypto exchange can feel like navigating a minefield, so let's cut through the confusion and break down Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase to find the perfect fit for you. First, let's talk trading pairs. Binance generally offers the widest selection, giving you access to a massive range of altcoins, while Kraken provides a solid selection of major coins and some unique options. Coinbase, on the other hand, tends to focus on the most popular and established cryptocurrencies, making it good for beginners. When it comes to security, all three platforms implement robust measures like two-factor authentication and cold storage for funds. However, it's important to do your own research on their specific security track records and incident history, as security is always evolving. Now, for the dreaded fees, Binance often has the lowest trading fees, especially if you use BNB. Their native token Kraken offers competitive fees with a tiered structure based on trading volume. Coinbase, particularly standard platform, tends to have the highest fees, but Coinbase Pro offers significantly lower rates. User interface is another key consideration. Coinbase is known for its clean and intuitive interface, making it ideal for beginners. Kraken's interface is more feature-rich and may appeal to experienced traders. Binance can be overwhelming for newcomers due to its advanced features and complex layout, but offers immense customization. In summary, Binance excels with its vast selection and low fees. Best suited for experienced traders, Kraken provides a strong balance of security and features for intermediate users, and Coinbase prioritizes simplicity, making it perfect for those just starting their crypto journey. Consider your own needs and investment strategy, and happy trading.